What's cooking, foodies? I'm so excited because today we are making birria tacos, an absolutely flavorful Mexican dish. So let's get started.
You will need 3 pounds chuck roast, 4 Roma tomatoes, 1 large white onion, 8 garlic cloves, 5 dried Guajillo peppers, 5 dried California peppers, 2 bay leaves, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 4 cups beef broth, 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 tablespoon cumin, 2 teaspoons Mexican oregano. If you do not have Mexican oregano, Italian oregano is fine. You will also need corn tortillas, shredded mozzarella cheese, cilantro, 4 limes, 1 white onion. Here we have our Guajillo peppers and our California peppers. We need to remove the seeds first, so start by cutting the stem off the pepper. You'll then open the pepper and use your finger to remove and shake out the seeds. Cut your onion in quarters and cut your tomatoes in halves. You will then cut your meat up into 1-inch cubes. For your sauce, place the peppers, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and beef broth into a pot and set on medium heat. Cook for about 15 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a Dutch oven on medium-high heat. Sear and season your meat with salt and pepper. I did this in 2 batches. Takes about 6 minutes per batch. You will now puree your peppers and veggies. You can also use a regular blender. I'm using an Emerja blender. Pour your sauce into your Dutch oven that you cooked your meat in. This will deglaze the pan and add more flavor to your sauce. Add your meat as well. Add 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar. You'll now add your seasonings. We have Mexican oregano, coriander, cumin, and 2 bay leaves. You'll mix this together, place the lid on the pot, and then you're going to want to put this in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 hours to finish cooking your meat.
Later.
Take out of the oven, separate the meat from the sauce, and shred your meat. Now for the fun part, assembling your tacos. Dip your tortillas in the warm sauce. You'll then place it on the griddle or hot pan on medium heat. Add your cheese, your meat, cilantro, and onions. You'll then fold the tortillas in half and remove from the griddle. Continue until no more meat. This makes about 20 tortillas. And don't forget to dip your tacos in the dipping sauce, as it's the best part. Thank you for watching.